concept of social mobility.
Social mobility refers to the movement of individuals or groups within the social hierarchy.
Theories.
It explains how people change their social class, status, or economic position over time, either during their own lifetime or across generations.
This concept is closely tied to social stratification, which is the structured ranking of people into hierarchical layers such as upper, middle, and lower classes.
While stratification shows how society is organized, mobility reflects how flexible that structure is.
A society with high social mobility is usually considered more open and fair, whereas low mobility indicates deep-rooted inequality.
Social mobility can take several forms.
Vertical mobility refers to upward or downward movement in social standing, such as a worker's child becoming a doctor, upward, or a business owner going bankrupt, downward.
Horizontal mobility occurs when a person changes roles but remains at the same social level, like a teacher moving to another school.
Mobility can also be measured across generations, intergenerational mobility. For example, when a child from a working-class family becomes a lawyer, or within a single person's lifetime, intergenerational mobility, such as a clerk rising to the position of manager.
Beyond individual changes, structural mobility occurs when large-scale social changes, like industrialization or automation, alter the status of entire groups.
Another form, exchange mobility, takes place when some people move up while others move down, maintaining an overall balance in the hierarchy.
Several factors influence social mobility.
Education is the most powerful driver because it opens the door to better jobs and higher incomes.
Occupation and economic development also matter, as modern industries and technologies create new opportunities.
Social capital, such as family background and networks, plays a role in accessing resources and career advancement.
In addition, government policies like scholarships, welfare, and equal opportunity laws can improve mobility, while discrimination based on gender, race, caste, or ethnicity often acts as a barrier.
The importance of social mobility lies in its role as an indicator of equality and fairness.
It motivates individuals by showing that improvement is possible through effort and achievement, while also promoting social stability by reducing frustration and resentment.
At the societal level, mobility encourages economic growth since more people are able to use their talents and contribute productively.
Real-life examples highlight its impact.
In the United States, many immigrant families see their children achieve upward mobility through higher education.
In India, affirmative action policies are designed to promote mobility for disadvantaged castes.
In Sri Lanka, free education has historically allowed rural and low-income families to move upward in society.
However, mobility also faces limitations. Rigid social systems, unequal access to education, and the inheritance of wealth and privilege often restrict upward movement.
In many developing societies, these barriers are stronger, while in developed countries there are generally more opportunities, though inequality still persists.
Global inequality also makes mobility between nations much harder than within one society.
In summary,
social mobility is the process by which individuals or groups move within the social hierarchy, either upward, downward, or across positions.
It can happen within one's lifetime, across generations, or on a large structural scale. Education, occupation, economic development, and supportive policies foster mobility, while discrimination and inequality restrict it.
Ultimately, social mobility reflects the degree of openness and fairness in a society and serves as a key measure of social progress.